Hello students, welcome to day 3 of our English speaking challenge. Today we will learn about your daily routine, answering simple questions and having short conversations in English. We will go step by step. I will speak first and you will repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly and try to use full sentences. By the end of this session, you will be able to talk about your daily routine, answering simple questions, and having short English conversation. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we will practice sentences about daily routine. I will say each sentence and you repeat after me 3 times. So, are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, I woke up early today. I woke up early today. Repeat after me. I woke up early today. Number 2, I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. Repeat after me. I brushed my teeth. Number 3, I took a shower. I took a shower. I took a shower. Number 4, I got dressed. I got dressed. I got dressed. Number 5, I ate my breakfast. I ate my breakfast. I ate my breakfast. Number 6, I went outside. I went outside. I went outside. Number 7, I met my friend. I met my friend. I met my friend. Number 8, I helped my family. I helped my family. I helped my family. Number 9, I learned something new. I learned something new. I learned something new. Number 10, I went to bed early. I went to bed early. I went to bed early. So these all are daily routine sentences. Once again, I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I got dressed. I ate my breakfast. I went outside. I met my friend. I helped my family. I learned something new. I went to bed early. Well done. Try to learn it and remember these sentences and practice it. Got it? Now we will practice questions and answers. I will ask a question first and then I will give a sample, an example answer. Okay? You repeat after me the answers. Okay? Let's start. What did you do today? Answer. I studied English and helped my mother. Answer. Once again, I studied English and helped my mother. You can change the answer as well. This is a what do we say? A sample answer. Okay, it is an example. Just I studied French and helped my mother and helped my father. I studied Arabic and cooked biryani. Got it? You can say that. Did you go outside? Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the mall. Okay? Yes, I went to the supermarket. Okay, the answer can be changed. It can be according to you as well. Number three, what did you eat? I ate rice and chicken. I ate rice and chicken. I ate rice and chicken. Okay, I ate biryani and kebabs. Okay, you can. I ate parathas. Okay, anything. Who did you meet? I met my friend. I met my friend. I met my friend. You can also change the answer. I met my uncle. I met my father. I met my mother. I met my aunt. Okay. Did you watch TV? Yes, I watched a movie. Yes, I watched a movie. Yes, I watched TV. Okay. Okay. One thing that I should tell you is this, that the question are in simple past tense and the answer must be in simple past tense. Okay, what did you do today? So did in here indicates simple past tense, and the answer, I studied English. Okay, so study is the first form of studied. Okay, so the answer would be in simple past tense. I studied English and helped my mother. Okay, the answer should be in the past. Okay, I hope that you have learned these questions and answers. Okay, let's practice a short conversation. A, how was your day? My day was good. Tell me in the comment section, how was your day? Okay, once again, repeat it. My day was good. My day was great. My day was brilliant. Alhamdulillah. What did you do today? I studied and helped my family. Repeat after me. I studied and helped my family. I studied and helped my family. Tell me in the comment, what did you do today? Did you go outside? Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. Yes, it was a good day. Yes, it was a great day. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this short conversation and learned something new. Okay, now let's speak a short paragraph. I will read, you repeat after me. Okay, today was a good day. I woke up early and got ready. I ate my breakfast and did my work. I helped my family and practiced English. In the evening, I relaxed and watched TV. Then I went to bed. I feel happy because I learned something new today. Once again, today was a good day. I woke up early and got ready. I ate my breakfast and did my work. I helped my family and practiced English. In the evening, I relaxed and watched TV. Then I went to bed. I feel happy because I learned something new today. I hope that you have learned this paragraph. Now, I will ask you a few challenge questions that you have to answer me in the comment section. Okay, I will check it out. What time did you wake up? What did you do in the morning? What did you learn today? How was your day? These are your challenge questions, okay? Answer it in the comment section. So this was day 3 of our English speaking challenge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.